Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. I found something on AutoTrader today that I think will interest quite a few of you. We all know that for model year 2024, Toyota has announced that the TRD lift, the 3-inch lift that came out for the Tundra back in 2022 as an accessory option, is now a factory option, meaning trucks can be ordered from TMMTX with the 3-inch factory lift. Well, not only have I found one, I found an SR5. That was a big question in the beginning. Will this be available on the SR5? And it is available in some packages on said SR5. But this one is a Lunar Rock. It's TRD off-road. What's the price going to be? What is the build on the SR5? Because as you know, you can either build up an SR5 or keep it fairly simple. But this is one of the first ones I've seen actually on the website with a picture, meaning it's actually on the lot. So let's take a look at what we found here. It is a beautiful 2024 SR5 TRD off-road, and again, TRD 3-inch lift. As you can see, they left the stock tires on there. I feel like the first thing an owner would do is go and get themselves a bigger tire like a 35 to fill in the wheel wells just a little bit more. Black emblems down the side, the TRD grill up front. And as you will see, there's not a lot of extras in this truck. They want $62,058. Norwalk Toyota in Norwalk, California. So let's dig into this truck a little bit. There's a nice up close picture. You got some side steps on her. Again, this has the SR5 TRD off-road wheel and tire package. That's an 18-inch wheel and tire on there. The Michelin's LTX Trails, I believe they're called. But again, I'm guessing someone who buys this is going to want to upgrade that tire right away. This is in the beautiful Lunar Rock color, which we all know and love. Up close right there, 265/70 R18 is the tire. LTX Trail is the actual name of said tire. Now, how will this SR5 be built up at 62,000? Let's see. Again, you could do a lot of crazy things to these SR5s nowadays. My guess is because of the lift and the price of the lift, they probably kept the allocation fairly simple, not a lot of extras, because you can see those SR5s get very expensive very quick. This is 4x4, as we see with the emblem on the back there, and the side with the TRD off-road. Body color all the way down with the chrome rear bumper and the chrome surround up front. That is added when you get the SR5 TRD off-road, which I still don't understand. I'd rather see it body color from the factory. Here's a nice close-up shot of that wheel and tire we talk about. Now, when you go TRD off-road in the limited 1794 or platinum, it's a 20-inch wheel. A lot of people like this 18-inch wheel option that's on the SR5 TRD off-road because there's a lot more sidewall to the tire, and on a truck, that's always what you want. Will the owner change out the tires to an even bigger sidewall? I would think so, but you could start to see parts of the TRD lift in there. Again, this is the rear of the truck. Now, when we get to the inside of the truck, we're talking fabric seats, okay? So my guess is this is going to have fabric seats, and it's going to have the 8-inch screen on it, which really is no big deal because the 8-inch screen still does things that the big screen does when it comes to Android Auto, Apple CarPlay enabled. You still get all the options. It's just a smaller screen. It's the same size screen as what was standard on the last generation Tundra in the later years, 8.1 inches. This is the gauge cluster you get when you get SR5. This used to be on limited when it wasn't iForce Max, but now limited gets the digital gauge cluster standard. So gauge cluster does everything you need it to do. That little center screen has all sorts of options in it. I have this on my SR5, does the job just fine. Here is that 8-inch screen, which a lot of people say they like the look of the 8-inch screen more than the 14-inch screen because of how it's integrated into the dash. But once again, it'll do the job just fine. There's navigation on it. Again, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto enabled. So if you don't care about that, save a little money right there. Front end of the truck, when you get the lift, it brings it up 3 inches in the front, 2 inches in the back. Nice leveled look. And when you get that really big aggressive tire, it's going to make everything look great. So 62058, the thing is brand new. It's the regular iForce engine. It's 4-wheel drive with the 10-speed automatic transmission. It's fabric on the inside as far as the material used for interior. And this is the 5.5-foot bed. Let's look at the sticker and see exactly what we're dealing with here. So Lunar Rock, of course, on the outside, 2024 model year. So this truck started its life at $50,550. Okay. Now let's see how much the add-on is as far as with the suspension kit and some of the things that are on this truck to get it to 62. So the 3-inch suspension lift kit was just under $4,000. SR5 painted BSM mirror for 60 bucks. That's a nice deal. The TRD off-road package. Now, this is just the off-road package, not the premium package. If you got the premium package, you would have got Softex heated seats, okay? That's pretty much the main difference. Dual zone automatic climate control, that kind of stuff. This off-road package is just your wheels, your tires, your suspension, the skid plate. And it's not the TRD Pro skid plate, just the regular skid plate from the TRD off-road package. And nowadays you get things like multi-terrain select, crawl control, locking rear diff. That is all in the TRD off-road package. So that's going to be another $2,125. This also has the SR5 convenience package for $1,510 on price. And that's blind spot monitoring, front and rear park assist with automatic braking, and of course, very importantly, the large fuel tank, 32.2 gallons. You get the heated leather steering wheel, all weather floor liners, phone cables, smart USB, stainless steel door edge guard, non-skid spray-on bed liner for $600, and the steps are $645. When we're looking at the total price, and don't forget, delivery, processing, and handling fee did go up a little bit. That's now $1,850. The total of the truck, $62,058. My question to you is, what's your thoughts here? If you're going to be somebody who wants the TRD lift, again, factory option, you're going to see them pop up every once in a while. Will they be in mass bulk all over the lots? I don't see that coming. I think you will see maybe every dealership getting a couple here or there. I don't think it's going to be something where you see 16 of them lined up. Maybe in Texas, I don't know. If you're a dealer or a salesman and you want to jump in on this and let us know what your allocation is for your particular dealership, we would love to know. But what would be the first thing you would do to this truck? I think everybody would put bigger tires on it. I mean, that's pretty much a guarantee. When you order the 3-inch lift kit, other than what the dealer may do to add on as far as tires, that's how it's going to come. For the SR5, it's going to be the standard wheel and tire kit that comes with it normally. If you get it up in the higher trims that have the 20-inch TRD wheel, it's going to be the standard wheel and tire that comes with that. So it leaves it up to you or a dealer doing an extra and putting better tires on it. I'm sure there will be some out there. What's your thoughts on the $4,000 addition to the price? So that truck started about $51,000 and it became $62,000 with some of the options that are on it. I want to hear what you guys think. Would you get SR5 or would you get a higher trim? And what is your thoughts on the cost? Can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. Until next time, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. You guys have a great day. Be safe and be well.